Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of February 2025 for the zodiac sign Aries. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from this reading, kindly share the channel with them as well. If you wish to stay connected with me on any other social media platform or would want to support this channel in any form, the links are down in the description below. Kindly do check them out. So thank you so much and let's begin. Okay, there seems to be something that you're finding answers for, and they seem to be coming, or if you're finding answers for, it could be either through some. It could be through some way that you will find your answers. Like it will be where you may have to approach, you may have to approach someone. Maybe they can help you, find your answers, or, you can maybe go for some, let's say, like, it could be that some of you would want to go to some healer or some tarot reader or something like that, or some astrologer, something like that, to find your answers. So again, some places you may have to extend your extend your hand for help, and on some places the answers will come on its own. And for certain things your answers lie within. It's just that you need to come to into acceptance of those things, because it seems that something within you also is not being accepted. Though your mind knows the answers, but somewhere down the line you're not into the space of accepting, due to which you still feel confused and feel as if your answers are not coming. But if you just become a little open, it will actually open and be in the energy of acceptance of whatever is coming, or whatever these answers are coming. Then you will see that a lot of confusing stuff will get more cleared. If you're feeling like there are some knots because of this confusion, they will start getting releasing, and peace will also come in. Of course, sometimes certain answers are not pleasant to see, and hence we are blocking it and not being in the energy of acceptance. But at the end of the day, acceptance will bring in peace for you as well. So don't stop from doing that for yourself. But otherwise, yes, if you extend your hand also, there will be certain answers that will come to you through some or the other person or some medium. So it's up to you whether how open are you also to ask for help. And don't hesitate if that is bringing in clarity. Don't hesitate, because that is what is right now stopping you in the month of Feb. I mean, up until now, actually, if you do this in the month of Feb, your answers will come in, right? But up until now, due to you not extending your hand for help, you are in that same vicious circle. And if you want to break free that, you will have to do certain things a little differently, and that's when things will start happening. So yes, that's what I see as of now in terms of energy. Let's dive deeper and see what are the energies saying in different aspects of your life. Okay, so Aries, definitely yes, you are moving into a new phase of your life in this duration. There is something coming to full circle for you right now. Again, like I said, there could be certain help coming your way, or there is a forward movement. So wherever you're feeling too stuck, that there needs to be, like, let's say in work wise you're feeling too stuck, you're maybe finding job and you're not finding. It could be so that this is just an example. It could be so that something new is coming and there is a forward movement in it. But again, be aware also, stay a little alert around what is happening around you, because what is happening right now is that you're busy reminiscing over things that have gone, and maybe you're just in your past all the time. Now it could even be in terms of people, it could be like, some hurt that you're still carrying and holding on to, which is not serving you anymore. You need to release that out of your life for the new beginnings also to come in for you, whether it is again work wise, personal life, whatever it may be. But yes, it's time to release also from your end. Certain things is where you need to release, so that at least you see, what other good new things are coming around you, because that's what I see. Forward movement is what I see. See, to a certain degree, of course, it, no matter what, whether you like it or not, newness is coming, forward movement is happening, all of that is happening. But if you come into the space of active acceptance of certain situations and things, and you do the necessary, you could have forward movement in many aspects of your life, and a lot of new doors will open up for you then. So it's even up to you. Certain degree, certain things are entirely up to you, and certain, of course, they are going to happen whether you like it or not. But yes, there is a forward movement on certain aspects that will happen. So if you're holding on to something too tightly, remember, universe will do something that you will have to release. So might as well you only take the initiative and release those things, or people, or habits, whatever it is. So work wise, again, very interestingly, whatever you've worked hard on so far, they are also going to show some results. Like especially things that were not showing any results so far, they will start showing results, and you will start seeing certain level of shift happening even in terms of work. The stagnancy will move and things are happening. Now the thing is that yes, but at the same time, whatever you're going to sow also in the month of February, you're going to bear the fruits of it also. So you will see growth, no matter what, you will see growth in your work life. Now there is even that there is something new also that will happen in work right now. Now it can be like, maybe let's say, you're having your own business. This is an example. If you're having your own business, and you already are set that these are the products that you sell, but there could be altogether some new product line that you may create and that you would want to launch. So something of that sort. Or you may completely be like, okay, my this business is completely set, now I would want to start another one more business for another medium of income. Or it could be that you're already having a job and you may start having another, maybe a side hustle you may start finally, and that you were really really looking forward to. So whatever it is, because you may feel that now you have a little, like a little more clarity, it will feel that certain things are getting sorted, and hence you would want to actually do certain things at this time. So yes, that is what I see. You're overcoming certain challenges as well when it comes to work, so that is also a good sign that is there for the February month. In terms of your finance, there is something that you probably are thinking of for some time, maybe some idea that's there, or there is someone who may have told you something, and you want to execute that. But there is a new beginning also coming in terms of finance, a positive new beginning that is coming in terms of your finance. You've definitely, at least if nothing, you are definitely overcoming a challenge financially. So whatever it is, there, if there is some major big challenge financially, that is one thing I see you overcoming. Now again, like some may say that oh, I need an X amount and I am not even close to it. It's okay, maybe you're not close to it, but you may get some opportunity in this month which will bring you close to achieving that amount in the coming month. So there is like that kind of overcoming will happen. So some door will altogether open up for you to overcome that big challenge, financial challenge. Again, if you were looking forward to certain things or certain information that you wanted before you overcome this challenge, because let's say you know that this is the challenge I need to overcome financially, but I need to get these information, these things correct. And yes, the right information will either come in, the right person may come in. There is everything is falling in place basically for you in terms of your financial challenges, and that is bringing in again like double times it is showing, actually three times it is showing. All the three cards are showing that one phase is ending and and a new phase is beginning, and all are positive in that case. In fact, all of this is eventually bringing in growth, joy, happiness, success, and more so you're being at peace and calm with whatever you're going to be doing when it comes to your financial goals in the month of February. So, all in all, financially, it seems to be a very promising month for you guys. Okay, when it comes to love, romance, and relationships, we are going to talk first about the singles. So, in terms of singles, okay, very clearly there has been some past experience which has not been a pleasant one for you. Maybe that person was manipulative, or there was some sort of betrayal that may have happened in the past, which is what you're carrying in your energy yet. And the thing is, your ideal deep down wish is to move forward, but what you're doing is you're just looking behind at what you lost. And for that matter, first thing is that really even a loss? Because if that person has betrayed you or has given you a not so good experience, such a person, do you think you deserve such a person into your life? So if you say no, then the thing is it's time to move forward. And it's actually more than move forward, you are supposed to look forward. But I am seeing right now here is that you're still looking at the past, and it's not serving you anymore. It's just the energy, the not so good energy that you are carrying into your present and moving in future as well. Because yes, ideally you're moving forward, but mentally you seem to be still in your past. So it's time to release all of that. I think I even mentioned in the beginning that you may have to release certain things, if I'm not wrong. So yes, this is one thing that you need to release. The reason is, if you are someone who's looking forward to find someone and date someone and so on, there is going to be a forward movement. But because of this confusion of yours between between moving forward and hanging on to your past, like physically moving forward and mentally being in past, that kind of a thing, due to which you are not able to take the necessary actions. When even if you find someone right, you will know it, but you will not be able to take any action just because of you being mentally yet in your past. So time to release that. For singles, point blank, if that is what you're looking for, focus on releasing it. Coming to people who are committed, that is already you guys are dating someone or engaged or married. For you guys, what I see is that there is a forward movement. There will be opportunities where if you all are wanting to move forward and take the relationship into next phase of your life, there is a forward movement. But what I see is that you are not really into the space of taking any action right now. So even if there will be opportunities, I feel that due to some or the other reason, either both of you two will choose to not do anything right now, or at least one of you will choose not to really move forward with anything. So as of now, I will clearly say that if you are looking forward to take the next leap of faith, yes, you will have to stay aware that when that thing is there, if there is an option to do that, you make that choice instead of just being a little laid back and not taking any action. So that you will have to make a choice and do the necessary, instead of saying that okay, if it has to happen, it will happen, I'll just rest and relax. No, you need to be proactive to do certain to get certain things your way also. Like I said, if you need be, go and take extend your hand for help. So you will have to do wherever whatever necessary. Then of course yes, because the chances of forward movement are there in terms of relation also right now for you guys. So yes, it all depends on you. Okay, so this is very interesting. Yes, there is clarity coming in to you. So if there was some confusion or something that was really, like, lingering around for too long, and due to which you were feeling that things were getting delayed, all of that seems to be moving. There is going to be clarity that may come in. But in all of this, you've actually overcome a lot of stuff also, be it in terms of your own emotions and stuff, or otherwise you overcome a lot of things, and you've really kind of fought a lot of battles and won also. But the thing is that there is this little bit yet left, which even what is it, because and that is really like that that's going to kind of shatter you, and hence you are avoiding to address that. But if you do that, a lot of it will get resolved. Yes, it may get chaotic initially, but you also know that with time that is going to bring in a lot of good for you. So I would just say that do what is necessary, be a little fearless and courageous, get more into your strength, and do what is necessary to have that breakthrough into your life. Again, a lot of it is depending on you now, instead of just on the universe and things. So you make the choice of overcoming your fears, and be strong and courageous, and see how things will change for you for good. It's time to release negativity. I guess I have said that so many times that you need to release certain things, that this is just giving a very strong confirmation right here itself, that yes, you need to release negativity or negative thoughts, negative habits, whatever it is. But you need to do so your release work, a very clear and very loud and clear message here, right? Freedom. I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. Clearly, again, a message that it is all on you. Like, here you need to release negativity. It's about you, whether you do it or not. I've been saying it from the beginning. Here it talks about you possess the power and free will to create your own happiness. I have been saying this a lot of times already, that a lot of thing depends on you as well. So I think I even mentioned just few minutes back also the same thing. So yes, again confirming the message, but I would say that you should take this into consideration. If you still aren't, do it. Strength. This is insane, right? You're being guided by the cosmos. Stay strong, a positive outcome is assured. Very interesting. I spoke just few minutes back about strength as well, and here is a confirmation for that as well. Now, again, here, like, I told you certain places, what universe will do, it will do, but there is even you who has to do certain things. Just do, because here it clearly say that a positive outcome is assured. So stay strong. I spoke about being strong, displaying strength, courageous, so on and so forth. So, again, a third confirmation for this guidance. Amazing is not the word, I would say. I've done so many, so far, I've done almost 8 of other zodiac signs, and such a confirmation, at least so far, I've not received in any other zodiac as much as in this one. Dream, wish upon a star. Your wishes are surely coming true. So, yes, definitely do wish upon a star. Again, uh, don't stop dreaming no matter what. Again, if you need to extend your help for hand for any help, oh god, yeah, so please do it. So whatever you need, go ahead, do it for at least, on, or at least go and wish upon a stars for whatever dreams you have. I'm in control of how I react to others. So, yes, again, control of how I react to others. This is in many ways again the same thing. It is it is on you how you do certain things, right? So, this is again giving kind of a confirmation also about certain things, or and any which ways affirmations are, I personally even believe that, to get you into a specific kind of a mindset for what is right for you in the coming days. So yes, you can use these affirmations even for that, right? I trust that I am capable of achieving my dreams. Self doubt, if at all, you need to release. Be courageous, be strong, be fearless, because you need to trust that you are capable of achieving your dreams. Again, get into the mindset of it. You are capable of it. If that is what is stopping you from asking for any kind of help or guidance, don't. You should believe in yourself. Do this first, build that belief in yourself that you are capable of achieving your dreams, and then ask for whatever help you need. Extend your hand for help from wherever and whoever you need to, be it even from universe. It doesn't need to be some other human, it can be from the universe. But at least first believe in your dreams, believe in your capability, and then do it. Things will come and start falling in place for you. Again, this is one of the thing which clearly talks about that maybe this is the thought process you need to change to get to release certain things, because they are creating blockages. So yes, change this mindset, release it, and come into the energy of trusting your capabilities. Things always seem impossible until we get them done. Today, I will choose a task, big or small, and take the first step towards accomplishing them. So, yes, again, no matter what, keep taking any small or big step towards the dream, or towards whatever you are setting your goals for, accordingly for the month of February. So, keep taking every big or small step. It's like continuous small step lead to big progress. So yes, keep doing things, and you will see, by the end of the month, a bigger result and bigger success. Okay, perfect. Again, a confirmation here that yes, all the things that you want are coming into your hand, into your life, into your energy field. Also, all you need to do is extend your hand and receive it. Be in the receiving energy of whatever you want, because that will come. So you need to be in the energy of receiving for sure. Everything will slowly, gradually, but fall in place. Whatever you need is definitely coming your way in this month. You will only change your life once you change your daily habits. Yes, that is true. So yes, if at all you are looking forward to change, a big shift, this is what you need to do. Certain things you need to do differently to get a different result. If there is the same result that's coming so far, there is something that needs to change in you for having the kind of result that you desire. We deserve the same love as we give out. So yes, again, see, this is even reminding me of something that I said, that if someone was not aligning with you or has betrayed you, is that person worth even reminiscing over or looking back at? So yes, this is giving again that confirmation that we deserve the same love as we are giving out. So yes, it needs, you deserve the same thing that you give out, right? So then why to settle for anything that is less than that, right? So yes, if you're being loyal and if that person is had been betraying you, it's time to move on from such people and look forward for the people who align with you rather. I can achieve anything I set my mind to. Yes, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. I have mentioned already a lot of ways that you are supposed to do certain things. There is certain kind of block that is definitely there, that is there within you, and these affirmations can really be of great help to you. Maybe you are doubting yourself at times a lot, and that is why these affirmations have come out, so that it can help you to break free those blockages. We I have added this new thing of checking and one single empowering message that universe would want to give you for the month of February 2025. So let's see what is the message coming for you. What is the one empowering message that the universe wants to give you for the month of February? Success. Let it happen for you. Your prayers and intentions have been received. Now allow for the moment of circumstances to occur so that your wishes can materialize. Again, release all the blockages, release what is not serving you anymore, and let the success come into your life. Success is what is willing to come into your life. You need to release the blockages. So do what is necessary for yourself. Amazing read, like I feel the energy so good. And if success is what you're craving, then do what is necessary and just let success walk happily into your life. No need to worry. Wow, such amazing messages that have come in these, especially these last few minutes, that yes, you need not worry, things are being taken care of. Like I said, you do your part and rest will follow as exactly as you want. So I think the reading has been so direct and so amazing. I am so glad about this reading. I feel the happy energy, in fact. So I hope you also felt the same energy. Let me know in the comment section if you did feel the energy or not. Did you, get the message? Did it resonate with you or not? And if you have any suggestion, drop them also in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. So let's connect there. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please, because it will really help me to grow and it'll be a real good help from your end. And hit the notification bell as well. And yes, I'm been going to starting a new series also of love readings on my channel soon. So for hence also do subscribe if you're interested for them. And yes, if you've stayed with me up until now, then thank you so much and see you in the next reading. Bye bye.